Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change quiknav announcement in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and tap the verbosity. Then in the verbosity section, find the quiknav announcements and then tap. Then in this part, in the quiknav announcement, if you want to change it, just tap the announcements that you want by putting a check mark on the side, just like this. For example, you want to add braille. And lastly, if you want to change it to do nothing, just tap it until there's also a check mark on the side. Just like this. And that's it. We have successfully changed quiknav announcements in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!